What are some hygiene tips you wish more people knew? Deodorant works on under boob and cleavage. Deodorant goes on before you start stinking. Pillows cases need to be washed often. Washing your ass. Wash behind your ears and inside deep of your belly button. Maybe this is hygiene adjacent, but to stop that old laundry smell you have to leave your washing machine open to dry out. Every time. 3 years of a pandemic and half you filthy pigs still don't wash your hands properly. 1. Clean your hairbrushes, especially if you have oily hair. Scalp. 2. Clean your glasses, includes the frames and nose pads. If you can smell you, we all could smell you 2 days ago. Brush your tongue. Always pee after sex. Your kidneys will thank you. Perfume is not a substitute for washing and deodorant. For the ladies using soap outside of the girly, do not put soap in the hole. That will cause infection and basically just make you smell even more bad than you could imagine. Cold sweat smile. If someone offers you a breath mint, take it. Assume she is giving you a polite hint. Nail brush. Buy one. Use one. Close the lid before flushing. Wash your hands before and after the restroom. Deodorant is for before you smell. Replace your toothbrush often. Use a rag for dishes instead of sponges. Dry your feet well after a shower. Floss your teeth and brush at least once to twice a day. It really is important. If you're going to have a quickie on lunch break, then clean up after. I don't need to smell the boss's cream pie from 20 feet away. Floss your damn teeth. Brushing isn't enough to prevent the bad things that happen to good teeth. Ask your hygienist to show you how. 90% of people aren't doing it right. Clean your butt. Especially if you're expecting to get a blowjob. Nothing sucks more than going down on someone and getting that dirty taint smell. Make sure to thoroughly rinse your liver with high-quality grain alcohol. Cleaning. Disinfecting your phone. It has so much bacteria and I hate when someone shows me to look at their phone and that shit's crusty. Wash your hands after you use the washroom. Seriously, I'm pretty sure whenever I go to a public washroom I see 50% of the men in there just walk out without washing. Crazy to think. Don't keep wads of cash in your bra. Especially if it's summer. Money is dirty enough without being soaked in your sweat too. Nobody realizes the AMT of pee, blood and feces are on the stall latch. Wash your hands. Change your work clothes daily. Washing your legs in the shower. I'm so surprised how many people don't wash their legs when they shower. Wash your feet, between your toes. So many people don't bother. But just FYI. Your shower floor is disgusting. The soap, water that runs off the rest of you isn't enough. You can wash your pillows and bath mats. Also glycolic, mandelic, salicylic acids for body odor. Keep that skin acidic and inhospitable to bacteria. Guys, wash your asshole. Actually put a cloth or loofah or your hand, I guess, in there and give it a scrub. It's not gay. Same goes for under your foreskin. Floss daily. If you have to turn off a tap, make sure you turn it off with the paper towel you used to dry your hands with. No point in losing all that hygiene to communally touched, wet surfaces. Brush your tongue when brushing your teeth. Get away from me. You are nose blind to yourself. So take initiative now to prevent problems. If you smell yourself, then it's really bad. But never let it get to that point. I wish I had known that the natural pH of vaginal secretions was acidic enough to stain clothing. And such. It would have saved me a lot of anxiety of wondering what was wrong with me. Yes. It is normal for this to happen. To use a bidet. I'll never understand how people can use toilet paper and not wash it. Don't brush your teeth in 4 sections. Take a cue from people with braces and do it in 18 sections. Front, crown, and back OD each corner of the mouth, and then front and back for the middle teeth. It's a tad slower than 30 seconds on each corner, but cleans them better. If you don't think you need deodorant, yes you do. Do not put your cash between your titties, butt crack, real crack, and then proceed to hand it to the cashier. Your greasy hair doesn't look healthy, it looks dirty. Everyone's hair is different, but wash that shit. There's this stuff called soap. It's incredibly cheap, fucking use it. Wonder why you have bad breath? Brush your tongue, and if you can, use a tongue scraper. Also, if you're on medication that dries your mouth out, there's a mouth rinse to help lubricate your mouth. Drink plenty of water. This will all help prevent bad breath. You can take more than 1 shower a day. Also, wash your clothes. If you take a shower but wear smelly clothing after, what's the point? And yes, hoodies can be washed. Get a water pick and use it. Clean behind and inside your ears. That shit stinks. Wearing a mask doesn't camouflage not having brushed your teeth in the morning.